Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's social media channels. I wanted to do a quick video again talking about ordering to spec on the vehicles you're looking for. The video I'm showing here, this vehicle is a 2023 Suburban LS, but it happens to have very nice upgraded wheels, a couple other small packages. Reason that made me think I should probably do this one again is I've been getting calls from all over the eastern half of the United States. We're in Lebanon, Ohio, which is just a bit north of Cincinnati. So yesterday I was talking with a very nice lady from Mississippi. She called in. I think she saw it on Auto Trader. Unfortunately, the vehicle sold to a customer from, I think it was outside Philadelphia. They haven't come in to pick it up yet. Reason I'm saying that you should start thinking about potentially just ordering a vehicle to spec, knowing that it's going to probably be 90 days, 120 days before you get it, is because there's still a limited supply, especially on the larger SUVs. And like, for example, this lady, a very nice lady, and if I have the time, I will try to find dealerships that have what you want. We did a 500-mile radius from where she was. So I was going out into Kansas, obviously Cincinnati area, in all parts east for the most part. There was a grand total of, I think it was 6 LS's, and then it's sterling gray. That was one part of it, and not one of them had the upgraded wheels. So at a certain point, you're going to want to go into, you can go on Chevy.com, build up and I'll have a link below for that, and you can build the vehicle to the specs that you want. And then first, Chevy's going to tell you, does this vehicle exist? And that's how a lot of these people were finding it. Unfortunately, it's sold. But if it does not exist, you can save that build. You can email it to pretty much any dealership. So if you have a local dealership that you've been working with for years, as long as they eventually get an allocation to build that vehicle, you'll be able to order it and then get it to the specs that you're looking for. So that is my recommendation, especially if, with the Suburbans, you're going to see a lot of whites and blacks. The sterling gray is becoming pretty popular, and the radiant red. But still, if it was me and I'm looking for something very specific and I don't find it originally, contact your local Chevy dealer. They can place that order for you, and just make sure it's a dealership that has a good reputation for follow-up, because it's going to be a long process. But in the end, if you're spending $60,000, $70,000 on a vehicle, why settle if you don't have to? Build it to the specifications that you want. Thank you, and I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comments below, or give me a call at 513-932-0303. And this is Bob Pulte Chevrolet, and have a great day.